Hi everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a recreation of my Met Gala look. So I went to the premiere of Ocean's 8, which is the new movie that is coming out or is out already in the Obodo, but it isn't out here yet because we just had the premiere Sunday. Yes, we had the premiere on Sunday. The invitation said we should come dressed as the Met Gala, and they basically asked us to pick whatever Met Gala theme that we like, anyone that we want, and come dressed like it. I decided to go with the recent one, which was the Heavenly Bodies look, and apparently a lot of you guys really like this look. The whole look was created by Edwin Okolo, my best friend, who is a fantastic crocheter and fashion designer. Shout out to him for making me look like a goddess, literally. Since there was a lot of focus on the fashion and the outfit, I decided to do a video about the makeup look that I wore. So today's video is a recreation of the makeup look that I wore to the Ocean's 8 premiere. Also, if you're kind of confused about it, because I saw a lot of people on the internet were confused about the premiere. One, the reason why they chose the Met Gala theme was because the film is set during the Met Gala. And two, I think it was really fun for everybody to kind of like dress up and do something new and interesting. I mean, what's wrong with dressing up and having fun? You guys are just party poopers, man. Like, anyway, before I continue, please do not forget to subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel. We are 2,000 subscribers strong, and I would love to have you all on my little family here on the internet. And also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so you will always, and I mean always, get notifications. That is the only thing. You'll get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So don't forget to click on those two things for me. Pretty please. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started in today's video. Alright guys, so let us get started. I am putting down a base of concealer for my eyeshadow and I'm blending it out with my fingers. I'm going into my Makeup Revolution Iconic Vitality palette and I'm taking the shade with a nice fluffy blending brush and I'm applying this to my transition area. Then I'm taking a fluffy crease brush and I'm taking this orange shade. So it's not orange, it's like if orange and brown had a baby. So it's this beautiful reddish orange and it looks so good on the lid. I'm applying this to my crease and on my lid. Then I'm taking this bronze shade in this Lancome palette and I'm applying it on my lid and also on my crease. I really want it to be like a wash of gold on my lids, if you get my point. Then I'm taking the silver shade. I don't know why I didn't show you guys, but I'm taking the silver shade and I'm applying it only to my lids to add like a much needed pop to the lids. Then I'm taking that fluffy crease brush and I'm blending out the crease. Then I'm taking my Yanga Beauty liquid liner and just lining my top lid. No wing liner here. Then I'm taking my Kudi Cosmetics Auto Liner Kajal and lining my waterline. Applying some mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Express Mascara. And then for my lashes, I'm going to be using the wispiest lashes ever. But as the glue is drying, I'm applying my primer. This is the Zaron Cosmetics primer. And then I'm going to set my primer with my powder. And I'm using the Black Opal Soft Velvet powder. This powder is super soft. I love it so much. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Ordinary, but before that, I'm going to put on my Glowy primer. This is the Black Opal Perfecting Primer, and this is the key to the glowiness of this full coverage look. Using this primer under my foundation allows the foundation to be full coverage, yet glowy. I love this primer. It's one of my favorite glowy primers of all time, and it's Black Opal, which means it's drugstore and affordable, and the combination of this primer and this foundation together is just magic. It's literally perfect. I love it. Then for concealer, I'm going to be using the House of Tara concealer. I didn't really like it in the beginning. I mean, I liked it, but I didn't really think so much about it. But now I'm really digging it. And I just applied it under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm blending it out with my brush. I allowed it to sit on my face for about 5 minutes before blending, and it gives me a bit more coverage, which I really like. Then I'm going to set that all in place using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. Then I'm going to contour using the Maybelline Smooth Contour. I can't remember the name of this powder, oh my god. But I'm using this Maybelline powder. You guys have seen this powder and it's in the shade Mocha. Then I'm going to wipe away the excess powder, yet set all those, you know, powder areas using the black Opal Ultra Matte Foundation Powder. Then I'm going in with my highlight. This is the Younger Beauty Candid Glow, and I use the shade Porkish. I really went ham on this because, again, the look, I wanted to be a glowy goddess, so there was a lot of highlights involved. But you can obviously scale back the highlights to the points that you're comfortable with. But for that look, for the premiere, I was glowy AF. Now I'm just finishing up my eye look and taking a little smudger brush and smudging the orange shade, and then I'm using my Maybelline mascara on my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm using the Zaran Cosmetics lipstick pen in the shade Muse. I love this lipstick pen. As you guys can see, I've almost finished it. I have to go and buy more. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics / LA Golden Collab Lip Gloss in Goodness Gracious. You guys must be tired of me using this gloss, honestly. And that is it for today's makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and also hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know what you think of this look in the comment section below. Do not forget to click on the notification bell so you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can join my family, so that we can be friends, we can be fam, you know what I mean. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I can still feel the love. I can still feel the love. I can still feel the love. We ain't worried about the other niggas. We the mother niggas. I love all this shit talking. I love all this shit talking. You ain't got nothing better to do with yourself. But do it with myself. My favorite song on this album / mixtape. I love it so much. The beats just bangs. What is Santa bringing? You guys, just wait for the beat drop. Just wait for the beat drop. It feels so good it should cost. Butter alligator, I ain't talking lacrosse. Make me say like I'm Mr. Max or P and Rick Ross. Touch me anymore. I feel free. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. I really like that song. That last song was just basically just talking about how you have to move forward up on everything you're going through in life. And I really into that song. I really do. Kid Cudi was amazing on that song. And the production was by Kanye, which makes it so insane. I really like this mixtape / album. It's called Kids See. That's the name of the song. That's the name of the mixtape. Kids See Ghosts.